So I just wanted to show you how I use the Lodge pre-seasoned cast iron grill pan to make something like this really delicious green onion dip from Sip Bite Go. So I also use a NutriBullet, which is a really just a staple thing for making salad dressings at home. So this is how this all starts. I just kind of clean up these spring onions or green onions as they're called, and I clean up the jalapenos. I remove the inside and I go ahead and grill up on a medium-high heat pan the green onions and the jalapeno. So all you have to do is put a little bit of olive oil or another oil that you like on them, add some garlic powder. You could use a little salt, but you don't have to. So you just grill these up on a really hot pan on medium-high for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. So I love using the Lodge pre-seasoned cast iron grill pan for something like this because not only can you use it to grill up the vegetables, which end up going in the dip, you could also use it to grill up some pita bread or some toast to serve with the appetizer as well. So then those come off the heat, and then these green onions and the jalapenos get blended up with some other ingredients like Greek yogurt. You could also use sour cream if you wanted, and then they get you can just prep all the vegetables like you see here. I'm using a really great knife that I'll link for you as well. So anyways, you just throw all of those into a NutriBullet, and then you're ready to blend it up and serve. You can get the full recipe for this. It's the one from Sip Bite Go, and you can see all of the different things that I used in this with the video. Cheers!